Hey guys, Trainman 4014. I'm in Folkston. There's an Amtrak train coming, so get ready to see it.
Alright guys, Trainman 145 here.
Here's Trainman 145, 42 also filming. Well, see ya.
So what is this? This is probably 91. This is a spiky, right? We're going to be getting tons of trains. This is 91. There's a storm in South Carolina. So, yeah, alright, we got gates going down. Whoa, what is that one? He's moving. Nope,
That's Auto Train. That's Auto Train, Carter.
He's supposed to be going by like at 5 in the morning.
That's Auto Train.
Alright, here we go. We have P43 Auto Train. Oh, he failed.
Mom, Connor, that's Auto Train.
I know. Oh my
God,
God, don't do this. Same, my chain line.
Trainman 145. This is Auto Train. P42!
I know.
P42 in the front engine of Auto Train!
So this is leading off the pack, guys.
Yeah.
Of course, it's an Amtrak. We got it.
Superliner 1! Superliner 1!
Oh,
Superliner 1!
that's rare.
Wow.
53 Amtrak the train with
There goes-
P42.
There goes the Auto Train. Well,
20, leading
this was
P42.
awesome. First train at
Approximately
Folkston.
7
Well,
hours late due to a bad storm in South Carolina.
yeah.
This is leading off the pack today with Trainman 4014 and Trainman 42, Georgia Torres.
Yep.
Train
Thank you,
145
Trainman
signing off.
145. Yep, this is Trainman 4014 signing out.